Are you looking for natural ways to supercharge your health and well-being? In today's video, we'll uncover 10 incredible superfoods that can help you lose weight, boost your energy, and achieve clearer skin. Plus, we'll share some effective exercises and lifestyle tips to maximize your results. Get ready for some life-changing information. Welcome to our channel, Hell Life Fitness. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. 10 superfoods you must eat to lose weight, boost energy, and achieve clear and glowing skin. We'll explore what metabolism is, how you can boost it, and introduce you to some superfoods and exercises that can help. Stay tuned for some incredible tips and delicious food ideas that will keep you energized and healthy. Plus, I'll be asking 2 secret questions during the video, and the answers will be revealed at the end, so make sure you watch till the end. So, what exactly is metabolism? Metabolism refers to all the chemical reactions that take place in your body to maintain life. It includes 2 main processes: catabolism, which breaks down molecules to produce energy, and anabolism, which uses energy to construct components of cells like proteins and nucleic acids. Your metabolic rate is the speed at which your body converts food into energy. A higher metabolic rate means your body burns calories faster, which can help with weight management, energy levels, and even beautiful glowing skin. Boosting your metabolism can be achieved through a combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Before we dive into our list of superfoods, let's talk a bit about how you can naturally boost your metabolism. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, which can help you lose weight, have more energy, and even improve your skin health. Here are some quick tips to help you kickstart your metabolism. Number 1, eat protein-rich foods. Proteins require more energy to digest, which can boost your metabolic rate. Number 2, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can temporarily speed up your metabolism. Number 3, get enough sleep. Poor sleep can negatively affect your metabolism. Number 4, engage in regular physical activity. Exercise, especially high-intensity workouts, can significantly increase your metabolic rate. Number 5, green tea or coffee. These beverages can enhance your metabolism and provide a quick energy boost. Now that we've covered some basics on how to boost your metabolism, let's get into the exciting part, the superfoods. These foods not only help you shed those extra pounds, but also keep you energized and give your skin a natural glow. So, let's start with our first superfood. Superfood number 1, beetroot. This superfood is a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in iron, folate, and antioxidants, beetroot helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, enhancing your workout performance. It also supports liver detoxification and contributes to glowing skin. Beetroot can be enjoyed in various delicious ways. Try it as beetroot hummus, add it to salads, or blend it into a beetroot smoothie. Here's a fun question for you. Which vitamin is beetroot especially high in, helping to support healthy blood flow and energy levels? Stick around to find out the answer at the end of the video. Superfood number 2, ragi or finger millet. This superfood is a fantastic source of calcium and fiber. It's excellent for weight loss, helps control blood sugar levels, and promotes digestive health. Ragi is also great for your skin, thanks to its high antioxidant content. Ragi can be enjoyed in several ways. Try it as ragi porridge, bake it into ragi cookies, or use it to make ragi roti. Superfood number 3, moringa or drumstick. This superfood is a nutrient-dense superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It boosts metabolism, supports weight loss, enhances energy levels, and has anti-inflammatory properties that benefit skin health. Moringa can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Try it as moringa leaf smoothie, add it to salads, or cook it into a moringa curry. Superfood number 4, amla, which is also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C. It boosts your immune system, enhances metabolic activity, aids in weight loss, and provides a natural glow to your skin. It's also known for its detoxifying properties. A quick way to enjoy amla is by making amla juice. Blend fresh amla with some water, a pinch of salt, and a bit of honey. It's a refreshing and detoxifying drink. Superfood number 5, okra, also commonly known as ladyfinger okra, is rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. It helps improve digestion, supports weight loss, and maintains healthy skin. Its high fiber content also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Okra can be enjoyed in various delicious ways. Try it in okra stir fry, add it to soups, or grill it for a tasty side dish. Superfood number 6, figs. This superfood is a great source of fiber and essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. They aid in weight loss, improve digestive health, boost energy levels, and promote clear, healthy skin. Figs can be enjoyed in several ways. Try them fresh as a snack, add them to salads, or use them in baking for a delicious treat. Dry unprocessed figs also taste great when consumed with other dry fruits. Superfood number 7, ginger. This superfood and common household vegetable is rich in powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It boosts your metabolism, aids in digestion, helps with weight loss, and improves skin health by reducing inflammation. Ginger can be used in various ways to enjoy its health benefits. Try it in ginger tea, add it to stir fries, or use it to flavor soups and sauces. Here's another question for you. What compound in turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties? Find out the answer at the end of the video. Superfood number 8, turmeric. This superfood contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. It boosts your metabolism, supports weight loss, enhances energy levels, and gives your skin a natural glow. Turmeric can be incorporated into your diet in many ways. Try it in golden milk, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, or use it in curries for its vibrant color and health benefits. Superfood number 9, dates. This superfood, rich in natural sugars, fiber, and essential minerals. They provide a quick energy boost, aid in digestion, support weight loss, and promote healthy skin. This superfood is a perfect replacement for sugar and honey. Dates can be enjoyed in many ways. Try them in date energy balls, add them to smoothies, or use them to naturally sweeten baked goods. Superfood number 10, pomegranate. This superfruit is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They boost metabolism, support weight loss, improve energy levels, and enhance skin health by reducing oxidative stress. Pomegranate can be enjoyed in various delicious ways. Try it in a pomegranate salad, drink it as pomegranate juice, or sprinkle the seeds over your favorite desserts. Now, it's time for a bonus superfood that can be extremely beneficial for weight loss. We are talking about the super seed food, chia seeds. This superfood, also known as a super seed, is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They help boost metabolism, support weight loss, provide sustained energy, and improve skin health by keeping it hydrated and glowing. Chia seeds can be incorporated into your diet in many versatile ways. Try them in chia pudding, add them to smoothies, mix it with yogurt, or use them to make a refreshing chia fresca. While these superfoods are fantastic for weight loss, boosting energy, and achieving clearer and brighter skin, it's important to remember that diet alone isn't enough. Incorporating regular exercise and maintaining physical fitness are key components to achieving and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Now, let's dive into some effective exercises and fitness tips that can complement these superfoods and help you reach your health goals even faster. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Alternating between short bursts of intense activity and rest can significantly increase your metabolic rate. Strength training. Building muscle mass helps burn more calories at rest. Cardio. Activities like running, swimming, or cycling are great for burning calories, boosting energy, and improving skin health. And there you have it! Incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet can help you lose weight, boost your energy, and achieve clearer skin. Remember, these powerful foods are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and other health benefits that can transform your well-being. But don't forget the importance of combining a healthy diet with regular exercise and physical fitness. Together, they create a strong foundation for a healthier and more vibrant life. Now, for those who watched all the way through, let's reveal the answers to the secret questions I asked earlier. First, which vitamin is beetroot, especially high in, helping to support healthy blood flow and energy levels? The answer is vitamin C. And for the second question, what compound in turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties? The answer is curcumin. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content and for more health tips. Also, share your thoughts and experiences with these superfoods in the comments below. Which one is your favorite? How do you incorporate them into your meals? Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.